are you calling me, baby? I don't want to do this.
Come on, drink it.
No, look at it. Oh. I hate you recording me right now.
32-year-old man trying to take the coffee with a spoon. You're going to spill it.
Ew, God. Oh.
The big glass, not the little glass. Come on. Take.
I can't do it. It sucks so bad, baby. It really does.
Want me to roll back his mouth?
I'm going to have you freaking sit on him for in a minute. Take a drink of the big glass, then
It's so bitter.
It doesn't matter.
and now drink quick before it leaves your mouth.
That's like Cody eating teeth bad, even this teeth bad now.
Get it out of your head. Drink.
I can't do it. I don't want to do it.
I'm making you.
No, stop. Move.
I will make you.
How old's your dad?
I can make alcohol flavored.
Drink, chug.
I can't do it. I can't.
I'm gonna pour it down so he doesn't take it.
1, 2, 3, chug.
Come on, you need to take a bit.
Do it again. You didn't take half of it. Aww. Poor baby.